Hello everyone, I'm Sajatanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a 4G data comparison between the Realme X2 Pro versus the X2 device. So this will be the comparison between the high-end device versus the mid-range mobile phone. So for more similar kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison videos. And don't forget to check the playlist in the description below. So you can find plenty of videos which I have recently uploaded on the Realme X2 device. So where I uploaded more than 100 videos, as you can see here, and even on the same on the X2 Pro device as well. So where I uploaded more than 80 videos, as you can see here clearly. And let's get started with the 4G data speed test comparison between the Realme X2 versus the Realme X2 Pro device. So as you can see, friends, right now exactly the variants what I'm using. So Realme X2 and X2 Pro in this device. So I've done a lot of 4G data speed test in the previous mobiles like the Honor 9X and the Redmi Note 8 Pro as well. So if you want to know more about those 4G speed tests, do check the links in description separately for the playlist which I created for the 4G data. So before starting the test, let me start doing with the aeroplane mode enabled and disabled. So this will reboot the network so that we can calculate the exact network speed right now. So first I'm testing right now in the Realme X2 device. So as you can see, friends, that right now the network speed is around 120. So 120 is the max I reached, but overall 115 we got the score. And I just want to compare how good it will be the medium range mobile versus the high range mobile, which is a Realme X2 Pro device from the same company. So this will give some kind of results. So buying the high budget range mobile will have any advantages in terms of the 4G or not. So let's get tested in this video. So this is the second time I am doing the test. So I'll be doing the 2 times test 4G test in both the phones, so we can calculate the average of both the speeds. So these are my previous speed test results which I got in the Realme X2. So as you can see, friends, the highest I got 132 Mbps speed in the Realme X2 device. So now I transfer the same to the Realme X2 Pro phone, and let's check how good the speed will be there in the Realme X2 Pro device, because I'm very curious to test the at same time changing the SIM, will it affect the network speed or not. So as you can see here, guys, clearly the network speed went boosted up to 170 Mbps speed in the first time, which is very much difference. That means overall there's a difference of 40 to 50 Mbps in terms of the network speed rate difference. Here we can see clearly. So this is the same SIM card I transferred at same time at same place. So let me do the test once again, and let's check how much we'll get at second time. And later I'll be displaying the maximum speeds in both the phones recorded so far in the 4G test. As you can see, friends, 170, it is close to 170. So now let's see what is the maximum speeds we got in both the phones, and we can compare side by side. And 132 is the maximum speed which I got recorded in the Realme X2 device. And let me show the X2 Pro phone, 168. So these are the both maximum recorded, but there are again previously recorded high speeds in the Realme X2 Pro, which is around 230 Mbps with the same SIM card, but these on the another day. So I did plenty of video comparison with the Realme X2 Pro versus the OnePlus 7 Pro and Galaxy Note 10 Plus and a lot of other devices. So do check the links in description, guys, for the playlist. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.